Teshio is a small town located in northern part of Hokkaido and is thriving its fishery and dairy farming. Especially, Teshio River is famous as the fourth longest river in Japan, and the sunset from its mouth is known as a spectacular sight. Our town has also been working on international exchange and had a sister city agreement with Homer, Alaska since 1984. Although it is a small town, various activities by locals are actively performed. Today, we would like to introduce a haiku club which was established back in 1960s. The members gather up once a month and exchange opinions on haiku that each member brings to the gathering. Haiku is known as the world's shortest form of poetry, describing feelings and scenes in only 17 syllables. It also has a long history, originated in Heian period around 8th century. The basic rules are to have a 5-7-5 pattern and to include a seasonal word called kigo. Kigo not only represents the seasons, but even describes the detailed scenes and emotions so that the delicate expressions can be achieved even with a limited number of syllables.
こちらは新年初句会に、提出するために、作った句です。お下がりっていう字はですね、言葉季語なんですが、これは新年最初に降った雨または雪ということを指す季語であります。20日なるというのは、日本語の古い古語ですね。お正月元旦に、雪が少し降ったんですけれども、そうしますとこう湿った感じがね、空気の中に漂ってくるっていうようなことで、置いてあった匂い袋の、香りがわずかにかすかに漂ってきたという内容になります。
Teshio's rich but sometimes harsh natural environment is definitely a treasure trove of haiku materials. We are surrounded by full of flowers and wild animals such as Japanese rose, the town flower, and white-tailed eagles that is a natural treasure in Japan. Please come and visit Teshio town and experience the untouched nature. We look forward to seeing you all very soon. Thank you.